Welcome to the online training, The Importance of Cleaning Your Water Well System for Health and System Operation. It is provided to you by the National Groundwater Association with support from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency. This training takes about 15 minutes. The time you invest in it could protect your drinking water quality and your health. How do you know if your well needs to be cleaned? The water may appear cloudy. It may smell bad. And it may taste bad. Your well also may need cleaning if there's a loss of capacity, which is the gallons per minute the pump supplies to the water system. These symptoms can be due to a fouling of the well system by bacteria. To determine if a well needs cleaning due to bacteria, test the level of bacterial activity in your well using a certified drinking water testing lab. Discuss the lab results with a qualified water well system professional. The professional can advise you on whether a well cleaning is indicated. Question: what are the symptoms that my well might need to be cleaned? 1. The water is cloudy. 2. It smells bad. 3. It tastes bad. 4. There's a decrease in the rate at which the well produces water. 5. The well hasn't been shock chlorinated for a year or more. 6. All of the above. And 7. 1 through 4. The answer is 7. Symptoms that your well may need cleaning are if the water is cloudy, smells bad, and/or tastes bad, or if there is a noticeable decrease in the rate at which the well produces water. These are indicators of the possible need for a well cleaning, but there could be other causes for those symptoms, so further testing and/or examination of the well is indicated. Here's another question. How do I know if my well needs to be cleaned due to bacteria? 1. Get the water tested by a certified drinking water testing lab. 2. Ask a qualified water well system professional. 3. Both 1 and 2. And 4. None of the above. The answer is 3. Get the water tested by a certified drinking water testing lab and ask a qualified water well system professional with their lab results in hand. The presence of bacteria in a well could be due to a breach in the well system that is allowing bacteria into the well from the outside. What is it that needs to be cleaned in my well? Well, it could be the bottom of the well, the well casing, screened water intake zones, and the gravel packed around the water well intakes to filter out particulates. Also, water intake screens may develop mineral incrustation and require cleaning. Cleaning encrusted screens can improve the well's ability to deliver water. How is a well system cleaned? There are mechanical methods and chemical methods. Often both methods are applied. There are a variety of mechanical methods for well cleaning, including brushing and jetting, which is the spraying of water under high pressure. The primary method of chemical well cleaning involves the use of acids. Acid is used to remove mineral deposits. Such mineral deposits can occur in the well screen, the gravel pack, and the geologic formation surrounding the well. A qualified water well system professional should decide on which method or combination of methods should be used depending upon the nature of the problem and the condition of the well system. Question: only two areas of a well should be considered for cleaning: the bottom of the well and the well casing. True or false? While the bottom of the well and the well casing should be considered for cleaning, these are not the only areas of the well that may need cleaning, so the answer is false. Two common areas of a well where cleaning may be needed are the well screens, where water flows into the well, and the gravel pack, an area around the water intakes packed with gravel to filter out particulates from flowing into the well. Here's another question. Chemicals should never be used to clean a well because they could contaminate the drinking water. True or false? While it is true that the use or misuse of certain chemicals could make drinking water unsafe, the proper use of certain types of chemicals can be very effective in cleaning a well. So the answer is false. Only chemicals authorized for use in well cleaning should be applied by qualified water well system professionals to ensure effective well cleaning without endangering water quality. Here's another question. Depending on a well's condition, either chemical cleaning should be used or mechanical cleaning, but not both. True or false? There are cases where only one method, chemical or mechanical, should be used. For instance, an old well that is more fragile could be damaged by certain aggressive mechanical cleaning methods or more corrosive cleaning acids. However, quite often both methods are used to clean the well most effectively. So the answer is false. There are other considerations when considering cleaning your well. Wells require temporary removal of the pump and other equipment for proper cleaning. Equipment removed from the well should be kept from bacterial contamination. Before reinstalling, equipment removed should be properly cleaned and disinfected. Visit www.wellowner.org to find out more about useful well owner tools, including a private well owner hotline, the private well owner tip sheet, more online well owner lessons, free well owner webinars, and upcoming webinars over the course of the year. Don't forget to check wellowner.org for other online lessons if you have questions like, what should I test my water for? How should I maintain my well? How can I keep my water safe? What should I do if my well floods? How do I get water treatment? And what should I know about getting a new well?